All right, I believe I've gotten a request to go over or to at least help you set up two of the problems on the assessment. The first one we're going to deal with is the third problem on the assessment, which has to do with a fundraising activity where a student council group rents a popcorn machine. So they've rented the popcorn machine for $50 a day. So rental is $50. And I highly suggest you try and take whatever problems you have and try and summarize them on your paper so that you're not trying to absorb so much. I don't know what's wrong with my camera here, but we'll try and get it to focus. That might help a little bit. I don't know. We'll do the best we can. They plan to sell the popcorn for $1.50 per bag. So the popcorn sales is $1.50 per bag. However, it costs 50 cents to produce one bag of popcorn. So the cost is going to be 50 cents. So really for each bag of popcorn, they are making $1 because we have to take the cost off of the price of the sale. So they have to sell enough popcorn in order to cover their cost for rental. So it gives you the hint. To make a profit, the amount of money collected must be greater than the cost of production. So there's actually two ways we can set this up. One way would be to just look at how much it costs total, how much profit can be made off each bag. So in this case, it would be, let's say that we have, we represent X, it's the number of bags of popcorn. So you're going to have to figure out how many bags of popcorn, if we actually pull in $1, on how to set up an inequality to indicate that the amount of money we get from popcorn has to be greater than $50, because if it was equal to $50, we wouldn't have a profit yet. And it wants to know how many bags do we have to sell at least in order to start making a profit. So I'll leave that set up or the rest of that problem to you. Another way of looking at this might be that the rent is $50 and the sale of each bag is $1.50 per bag, and the cost of each bag is 50 cents. So the number of bags times this minus the same number of bags times this has to be greater than $50. So either approach, I think you're able now. Whoops, let me get that down here. Let me go over that again. The rent is $50. The sale of each is $1.50. The cost of each is 50 cents. So the number of these bags sold minus that number of bags times the 50 cents that they cost has to be greater than $50. So either approach is going to take you in the right direction.